This is a video tutorial showing you how to install our window films in 7 simple steps. You don't need to be a pro to get the job done with our glue-free static clinging window film. You're going to need a roll of window film, a marker, a tape measure, a straight edge ruler, a utility knife or a scissor, a squeegee or a hard cardboard. Most importantly, soap water solution. The formula is 7 drops of detergent diluted with 24 ounces water. First, use a scraper to remove any stubborn stains from the entire window surface. As you go, pay close attention to corners. Now wet window again and use a rubber squeegee to get it totally clean. Next, wipe the window surface and edges dry with lint-free cleaning cloth. Measure the exact dimensions of your window. Unroll the film on a clean, flat surface. Rest something heavy on both ends to hold the film in place. Then mark the cuts 1 inch larger than the actual measured size. Use a straight edge ruler to draw your line. Then use knife to carefully cut the film. Start gently peeling off the protective liner from one corner. Keep the film as flat as possible as you go to avoid any wrinkles. After you completely peel the liner away, lay the film flat, then generously spray the soapy water solution onto the back of the film. Now, go back to the window and spray once more with the solution. Carefully pick up the wet film by the top 2 corners and lay the wet side of the film against the wet glass. Start at the top of the window. Then allow the film to gently lay down onto the glass. Handle the film carefully to avoid wrinkles. Use your hands to smooth the film onto the glass. You can slide the film around and position it correctly so long as the window and film are thoroughly wet. Uniformly spray the water onto the surface facing you and firmly squeegee the film from the center to all the 4 edges. Make sure there is no visible bubble left on the surface. Installation tip: to avoid making scratches, you can use the cloth as a cushion between the squeegee and the film. Before trimming away the redundant film edges, scrape all edges all over again to make sure the film is steadily clanged, especially all 4 corners. Leaving a gap of 1/16 inches between the film and your window frame. Gap is essential for the possible thermal expansion of the glass. After all edges are completely trimmed, re-wet the entire film surface again and repeat center to edges squeegee action to eliminate all the bubbles. Finally, wipe the window clean and your job is done.